My name is Fabian. I'm founder and CEO of Marley. Investors are looking more and more different sources of information, and LinkedIn social media is something very attractive to investors. So for me to be able to connect to investors directly is also a good way to get the message across. So for us, digital media, LinkedIn becomes more and more interesting. So when we relisted our business from the Australian Stock Exchange to the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, we really had to hit the ground running. And so we're looking for immediate high impact support. And so we're very happy to connect to Unicorn and basically start with a IR out of the box within literally days. And I think it worked pretty well. The Unicorn was like a one-stop shop solution to start from scratch a whole IR practice for the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, starting from preparing the first results calls, building the investor relations website, making sure that the data is correct on all the relevant information portals, answering investor inquiries, and really getting going as we launched in Frankfurt. So it was a one-stop solution which allowed us to get quick traction and be ready for our listing in Frankfurt. We, within the first couple of months, were able to build up not only a new investor base, but we also were able to start with additional coverage. We were able to have 3 analysts start to cover our stock. And so the collaboration between investor relations, management, and also analysts was really important to get this going. So we're very happy that within a couple of months, we had some great coverage of our stock also in Frankfurt. The independence, when you are running a business, you don't really have necessarily the time to handhold every new team member. And so the autonomy of Unicorn and becoming part of the team was really important. It's more hands-on, given that Unicorn is coming from doing IR in-house. It doesn't stop at the strategic level, but it goes all the way down to the day-to-day hands-on activities required. I always would recommend working with Unicorn because it gives you quick access to a great team that can get you going in no time. And it's also fun to work with, and that is very easy to integrate with the rest of the companies. It feels like working with an extended part of your own team while having the bigger bandwidth that otherwise you might not have when you are on your own.